Hi friends, myself SOHAM Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talented. Hello friends, welcome to Roma Arts. I'm Roma Ramnani and today I'm going to teach you a brush stroke. A round brush, I have to use a round brush. Okay, required a paper, brush, some colors and what? Use a pencil for the reference. We'll draw a border design, and for the flower you have to mark this way. This is just a reference line. So take a round brush, it's around about 5 to 6 number. Take yellow, take it properly in the brush. Remove from the edge, dip it in orange and hold it this way. Watercolor, you can use it on paper, you can use it on canvas. This effect can be used on canvas, on fabric. The photo I had shown you before was a bunch of flowers. I am showing you border design, so you can use as you want it. Make some birds also in between. So for that, I'll give some single effect of the brush. The color should be very close. So first you have to check, otherwise mix little water. If you want, we can show you the next video on fabric. And if you go on my page, it's a page on Facebook, so you can see there many things with brush strokes and even dry effect on the cloth also you can see. You can refer these photos from Roma Arts page.
Link is there in the description.
Okay, link is there in the description. You can mix little black with green, or you can mix little blue with green. You can get a darker effect, and you can make the leaves which will effectively give the color for the leaves. Brush effect. I had shown you this photo, a bunch of flowers and a border design. Both I have shown you.